What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Donovan Dash YCM Dash back with another YouTube video, and today we're gonna be unboxing the MacBook Pro. This is the 2019 one. I think they're gonna make a 2021, but we're gonna be unboxing this one today. I just got it. To start this video off, if you guys are watching this, make sure you like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let's get to the video. I never had a MacBook Pro before. I don't even know what I'm doing. Alright, so this is just the little top. Put it up there. This is it. Bro, that's clean. This is clean, bro. Put it like this. This right here, bro. Like, guys, this right here, this is clean. Like, the new videos coming out, guys, it's about to be crazy. All I need to do is learn how to edit and how to use a MacBook, because I never used a MacBook before. And we're going to be going crazy on YouTube, guys. We're going to be going crazy. Alright, so I'm going to put the MacBook over here. Well, that's kind of heavy. Alright, so we got the little, they got the USB-C or S cord. I don't remember the name of it. But they got those new cord thingies right here. I think that's the charger. And then designed by Apple. You have the little book right here. Well, I'm gonna check this out. I've never used one, like I've never used a MacBook Pro. Never even touched a MacBook Pro before. Let me just say that. What else they got in here? Oh, they got this little sticker, those Apple stickers right here. It's crazy, bruh. It's crazy. Ooh. Alright, I don't think there's nothing else in there. This is the charger right here. Okay, so this is where you plug into the wall, and then I guess you just connect it like that. You feel me? Charge your computer. I think is that it. I think. I don't know. I think that's it. Is there something under here? Yeah, I think that's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so here's a little charger, cord. Then it has them Apple stickers on it. And then this says welcome to your MacBook Pro. So let me show you guys the computer. So here is the MacBook Pro right here. I got I believe it was 16 inches, the most expensive one, the best one out of all of them, you feel me? Because I've seen reviews, I checked reviews out. So they have this right here, 2 ports. I think I gotta get one of those converter thingies. And then they have 2 ports on this side. I'll zoom that in. 2 ports right here, and a little headphone jack. Alright, let's check this out. I don't know if it's turned on. If it's not, I'm gonna just you guys bear with me. Then let me just alright, let me center that. Bring lighting in right on there. Alright. Whoa, it's a little heavy. And so it has this little thing. Oh, it turned on. I did not expect it to turn on, man. Oh, this is crazy. Got the 11 right here. The 11 Pro, I mean, not just the 11. The 11 Pro right here. This is about to change the whole game, guys. It's really about to. This is my desk. I never show it, but this is my desk where I do my schoolwork, editing, all that. Because I've been editing on phone. I had a computer, but like I didn't know how to edit on it. I'm gonna figure out how to edit on the MacBook though.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh, that's clean. That's clean. Alright, let me set it up. United States, of course. Of course, we're in the US. Alright, let me quickly put in the internet, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, YouTube, so I set up the MacBook. Oh, look crazy. Your boy need a haircut. Your boy need a haircut, man. What is that, man? Alright, I got rid of that, whatever it was. But I set up the MacBook. That's the camera, FaceTime. Look, guys, I don't even know how to check your messages on here, bro. I'm gonna do my research and figure everything out. In the back, we got the little AirPod case, AirPod Pros, iPhone 11 Pro. So the setup is clean. So if you guys are watching this right now and you guys haven't already, subscribe, hit that like button. Okay, so I got the 16-inch. If I didn't say that already. Let's test out, I tested out the sound a little bit, but let's test it out with, like, the Travis Scott. Yeah, the sound is really good. This right here is astronomical. I see you picked up on my ways, I feel responsible. They're trying to say that all my problems is improbable. They keep itching in my skin, I'm diabolical, you feel me? The sound is really good, guys. It's really, really good. Like, I don't think you guys understand, bro. What I was using, bro. The struggles, bro. Alright, but alright, so I'm running Minecraft on the new computer right now. It's great, bro. My old computer, when I play Minecraft on it, that joint would glitch, bro. It'll straight up be glitching every 5 seconds. It'll show like it'll literally crash and then have a black screen. But this is smooth. This is really smooth. I don't have a mouse for this yet, or like one of them external things, but it's smooth.
Oh, it's Giabel? Oh no. Alright, performance for Giabel. Nice. What are you doing? Let's go. Just land on him and why do you have your... Oh, that's exactly what you're supposed to do. He's gonna just laser you. Damn, he's... Oh no. He's blocking the launch pad. No, really?
Oh yeah, and before I end the video, let me just show you guys a few things about the computer, I guess. The keyboard, you know, the speakers. I forgot to show that. It's like really, really big, and the sound quality is really good. I'm about to show you guys. Here's a little soundbar thingy. Over here, you have the little Touch ID thing. I tried that out. It's pretty cool. So over here, you can like change the volume. That's pretty cool, bro. I swear, like my computer never had that, bro. You can change the brightness, make it really dark, really light, you know. There's other cool stuff too, so let me go on Safari. Alright, so I need to get... So for this computer, because of the ports and everything's with the USB, I think C or S, whatever it's called. Everything goes through this. So I have to get a little adapter so I can connect like my controllers and stuff like that to the computer. And then I need a mouse too, cause like I got a mouse already, but I can't even connect it. And you know, your boy needs to step up. You feel me? Your boy needs to step up. It's time to get rid of this mouse and just get an Apple mouse. So we're gonna get that soon. And then let me just play unbox. Let me play this video so you guys can just hear the sound.
Some people liked it. Willie Dude doesn't mind clacking over there. He's clacking all day. So we'll do a clack test right now. I'll show you.
The volume is so clean, bro.
Okay? This is a clack. This is a thud.
Yes.
Yeah, so the volume is just crazy.
Level just went.
And then another thing is also, well, as you just said, when you type, it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. I don't even know how to undo that. What did I just... Yeah, bro, I don't know how to work this, bro. Oh, I put that in theater mode. Default view. All right, but yeah, like, it's different. And using this, it's really big. It's gigantic. Like, I know you guys see this. This is gigantic. This is gigantic. Like, let me grab my, the computer I was using before, the Surface Pro 4, and compare them right now for you guys. So this is the computer I was using before. And it had a UK London keyboard, and that was so annoying because of the shift button. Like, sometimes I'll be trying to play games on here, like, let's say Roblox or Fortnite on here. This would be so annoying, bruh. This would be so annoying, bruh. So that's it right there. Comparing it, like, that keyboard's a big difference. I know you guys see this, bro. Like, it's really big. That keyboard's really big. This keyboard is kind of heavy. The keyboard's kind of heavy, no cap. Like, for real, it's kind of heavy. This is smaller. The screen is definitely bigger. It's worth it. If you guys get this, it's definitely worth it. You guys should check this out. If you guys have the money to get this laptop, you guys should get it. You guys have to get it. It's crazy good. So I'm gonna try things out, test it out and everything, and I'll get back to you guys. So yeah, we're at the end of the video. Alright, this is my video right here. You guys should check it out. I just folks only got 17 views, but let's get this video to 10 views, bruh. Let's get this video to 3 likes, bruh. If it gets to 3 likes, we are gonna be giving away an iPhone 11 Pro. Not this one. I got the iPhone 11, the red one. I got the box and everything, so we're gonna give away that, and we're gonna be giving away one of the silver iPhone 11 Pro. So if you guys are watching this right now, make sure you like, subscribe, and to get it for the giveaway, all right. So basically, this is the deal. This is the deal, all right. So to get it, go on my Instagram, like all my posts, comment on the most recent picture, giveaway 1, 2. And then after that, I'm gonna do a name. I'm gonna do one of them spin the wheel name thingies, and then announce the winner in the next video or on Instagram. I'm gonna do it on both actually. So yeah. So if you guys are watching this right now, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, check out the Instagram, check out the channel, and thank you guys for watching.